What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the Kmode exception not handled in Windows 11. You get this error and how you guys can fix it. Well, fixing it is pretty simple. You just have to go through these steps. First things first, you need to update the drivers. Make sure your drivers are updated because outdated or faulty drivers can cause this error. For that, you can actually go to the search bar, search for device manager, and right click on any of the driver and then click on check for new updates. Once you have made sure your all the drivers are updated, you just have to make sure to disable the fast startup. To do that, you just have to open up your control panel, power options, choose what the power buttons do, and then uncheck turn on fast startup. Now, what you have to do is you just have to run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Search Windows Memory Diagnostic in the start menu, run it, and check for any memory related issues. Once you have go through this, check for Windows Update, make sure your Windows is up to date, uninstall any problematic softwares, run SFC and DISM. So in order to do that, you just have to search for command prompt. Just go to search for CMD, right click on it, and then run as administration. Now here just type in this, which is svc slash space slash SCANNOW. Now, for the DISM, you just have to do this, which is DISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. Now, if this thing doesn't fix the error, just make sure to try to boot into a safe mode. If the problem persists, there should be startup programs which are causing these issues. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.